Our rooms within the boarding houses are mostly twin shared rooms. They're nicely furnished. The students have everything that they need. For our older students, when they're over 18, they can move to semi-supervised accommodation in one of our senior houses, and that's a good preparation again for undergraduate life.
So you kind of get to know everyone in the boarding house, and it's actually really nice. It's kind of like a little family. We have a lot of different cultures, so you get to know a lot of people from a lot of different places and learn about their cultures, their languages, their religions even. I find that very interesting. It's kind of slowly becoming as a second home. In a way, I'm always excited to go back home to Lithuania, but then towards the end of the holidays, I'm really excited to come back here.